Welcome to Tesla's Gigafactory Texas in Austin, one of the most advanced car manufacturing facilities on the planet. Today, we're taking you inside to discover exactly how Tesla, from raw materials to finished cars rolling off the assembly line. Tesla operates two major vehicle factories in the United States, the original Fremont factory in California and this massive facility in Austin, Texas. Together, they produce hundreds of thousands of electric vehicles every year for American drivers. It all begins here, at the loading docks. Semi-trucks arrive daily carrying thousands of tons of raw materials, aluminum, steel, lithium, and nickel. These materials come from American suppliers and partners across the country. Inside the warehouse, materials are carefully organized and stored. Tesla's just-in-time manufacturing system ensures that parts and materials arrive exactly when needed, reducing waste and keeping production flowing smoothly. One of the most revolutionary machines in the factory is the Giga Press. Instead of stamping dozens of small parts and welding them together, this machine creates large vehicle sections in a single piece. Watch closely as the mold opens. What you're seeing is the entire rear underbody of a Tesla Model Y, cast as one single piece. Traditional car makers would need more than 70 separate stamped parts welded together. Tesla does it in one shot. To understand why this matters, look at this comparison. On the left, traditional manufacturing requires stamping dozens of parts, then welding them together in complex steps. On the right, Tesla is considerably stronger. The finished casting is now lifted by robotic arms and moved to the next station. These robots work with precision down to fractions of a millimeter, ensuring every single part meets Tesla's exacting standards. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, Tesla's battery cells are being manufactured. These are the new 4680 cells, larger, more powerful, and more efficient than previous generations. They're the heart of every Tesla vehicle. This is the 4680 battery cell, named for its dimensions, 46 millimeters wide and 80 millimeters tall. Each cell contains more than 5 times the energy of Tesla's previous cells, and they're manufactured right here in America. Battery cells don't work alone. Here, automated laser welders connect thin metal tabs to each cell, creating carry power to the motors. This process requires incredible precision. One mistake and the entire pack could fail. Thousands of individual cells are now carefully placed into the structural battery pack. This isn't just a part of the car's structure. Tesla's revolutionary design makes the battery pack a load-bearing component, saving weight and increasing rigidity. This animation shows how revolutionary Tesla's approach really is. Instead of building a car body and then inserting a battery, Tesla makes the battery pack itself part of the floor structure. It's stronger, lighter, and allows for a lower center of gravity. Batteries generate heat during operation and charging. That's why Tesla installs this sophisticated cooling system, a network of cooling tubes that snake between every single cell, maintaining optimal temperature for performance and longevity. Once the cells and cooling system are in place, the battery pack is sealed. Robots apply a special structural adhesive that will bond the pack to the vehicle body. This adhesive is incredibly strong. It's actually part of the car's crash safety structure. Watch as the completed structural battery pack is lifted by overhead crane. This isn't just a lithium battery. It contains thousands of cells and will provide power for hundreds of thousands of miles. The front and rear castings arrive at the assembly point. These massive aluminum pieces and the structural battery pack form the complete chassis, like a giant 3D puzzle coming together. This is the moment it all comes together. The structural battery pack is carefully lowered with the front and pneumatic tool. They create the complete vehicle chassis, stronger, lighter, and with fewer parts than any traditional car. Before the final connection, robots apply structural adhesive to every mating surface. This isn't ordinary glue, it's space-grade adhesive that bonds metal at molecular level. When cured, these joints are actually stronger than welded connections. Now the 3 main sections are clamped together under enormous pressure. The adhesive spreads evenly across every surface, creating a perfect bond. Once cured, this assembly becomes one single, incredibly rigid structure. Take a moment to appreciate what you're seeing. This is the complete chassis of a Tesla vehicle. Front casting, no traditional frame rails, to full body-on-frame construction. Just pure, efficient design. With the chassis complete, assembly continues. Workers now install the suspension components, control arms, knuckles, and mounting hardware. Tesla's suspension is designed for both comfort and performance. The drive units arrive next. These contain the electric motors and power electronics that actually move the vehicle. Most Teslas have 2 motors, one in front, one in rear, providing all-wheel drive and instant torque to all 4 wheels. Unlike gasoline engines with hundreds of moving parts, Tesla's electric motors are remarkably simple. Electromagnetic fields spin the rotor, create transmission, no exhaust system, no complex mechanical linkages, just pure, efficient power. Safety is paramount at Tesla. Brake systems are installed with careful attention to every detail. While Teslas use regenerative braking to recover energy, high-performance components designed to stop thousands of pounds of vehicle with confidence. Notice the bright orange cables being connected. These are high-voltage lines carrying enough electricity to power several homes. Every connection is checked and double-checked by both workers and automated systems to ensure absolute safety. Now the chassis finally touches the ground. Wheels and tires are mounted, with lug nuts tightened to exact specifications by automated tools. Each wheel assembly is balanced to ensure smooth driving at any speed. This is an exciting moment. The vehicle rolling on its own wheels for the first time, from a pile of raw materials to a rolling chassis capable of movement. But we're only about halfway done. There's still a body to add. While the chassis comes together, body panels are being formed elsewhere in the factory. Massive stamping presses take flat sheets of aluminum or steel and form them into doors, fenders, hoods, and trunk lids with incredible speed and precision. Completed body panels are organized on moving racks, ready for their journey to the assembly line. Each panel is inspected for perfect fit and finish before it ever reaches the vehicle. Remember the unboxed process we mentioned earlier? Here's how it works in practice. Instead of one long assembly line, Tesla builds the vehicle in 4 separate sections simultaneously: front, rear, battery, and body panels, all coming together at the final stage. Now the body panels begin their journey to the chassis. Robots carefully lift each panel into position, aligning them with precision that human hands could never achieve. Quality control never stops. Here, automated laser scanners measure every single payout, check against Tesla certificates. Every door, every fender, every seam must meet exacting standards. If something doesn't fit perfectly, the system flags it immediately. Glass installation is another robot-performed operation. The massive front windshield, one single piece of curved glass, is carefully positioned and lowered into place. Moving inside, the interior comes to life. Seats are installed, each one assembled in the factory and littered shackles and carpet all find their places, transforming a metal shell into a comfortable passenger cabin. The centerpiece of every Tesla interior is this massive 17-inch touchscreen. It controls everything: navigation, entertainment, climate, even vehicle settings. There are almost no physical buttons in a Tesla. Almost everything happens through this screen. Each seat contains its own heating elements, cooling fans in some models, and multiple sensors. Workers carefully connect all the electrical harnesses before bolting the seat factory. The steering wheel goes in next, but remember, in a Tesla, the steering wheel is just an input device. There's no mechanical connection to the wheels. The steering feel you experience is actually simulated by software, tuned to feel just right. Here's where Tesla separates from traditional automakers. The autopilot and full self-driving hardware includes 8 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors. Every new Tesla leaves the factory with all the hardware needed for full self-driving capability. Hidden behind the dashboard is the HVAC system: heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Unlike gasoline cars that use engine heat, Teslas use efficient heat pumps that can warm the cabin while using minimal battery power. Throughout this process, thousands of skilled workers make it all happen. Tesla employs more than 20,000 people at Gigafactory Texas alone, Americans building American vehicles for American drivers. And here it is, a completed Tesla vehicle fresh off the assembly line. From raw materials to finished car in just a few days. But we're not done yet. Every single Tesla must pass rigorous testing before it can be delivered to a customer. First stop, the dynamometer test. The vehicle's wheels spin on rollers while computers check every system: motor output, battery performance, regenerative braking, and all electronic systems. Any anomaly is detected immediately. Next, every vehicle goes through the water test. High-pressure water sprays from every angle, simulating the heaviest rainstorm imaginable. If even a single drop finds its way inside, the vehicle goes back for seal adjustments. In the paint inspection booth, trained eyes examine every inch of the vehicle's surface. Under these bright lights, any imperfection is improved dramatically over the years, and this inspection ensures it stays that way. A random sample of vehicles undergoes actual road testing on Tesla's test track. Real drivers evaluate acceleration, braking, handling, and noise levels. This human validation complements all the automated testing. Before delivery, every Tesla receives its final software update. Because Teslas are software-defined vehicles, they get better receiving updates for years, adding new features and improving performance long after it leaves the factory. Finally, the vehicles arrive at Tesla delivery centers across America. From California to New York, families are about to take delivery of vehicles very creative and components. Congratulations! Here's your key. Thank you so much. We're thrilled. This is what it's all about. American families experiencing the joy of electric zero emissions in driving. From Giga Press castings to structural battery packs, from Austin to Fremont, Tesla is redefining what it means to build cars in America. If you liked the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.